Hey, what's going on, direct mail marketing family? Got an envelope today right here from New Jersey. Gonna open it up. What do you know? A free book of stamps. Did you hear what I said? Hear what I said, people? A free book of stamps. Thank you very much. Now you can get the same thing. All you have to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for this program, Mail for Pay Stamp Club. And this is easy. All you're going to do is send a book of stamps to each person on this list. That's it. You're not going to send any money. No money orders, no checks, no cash is involved in this. This is all about free stamps. You're going to send a book of stamps, just like I just received today, to each person on this list, and in return they're going to send you a flyer just like this one with your name right here. And then all you have to do is just promote it. Whether you make videos, whether you mail out the flyer, that's totally up to you. But I'm just showing you it works, okay? This thing works. No money involved at all. Just stamps. I can't stress that enough, because some people in these stamp clubs, they want money. There's no money here, folks. None at all. Just stamps. Now, if you're one of those people that don't want to mail out any flyers, don't worry. We got you covered. My good friend and mentor, Michael Jensen, will mail them out for you. If you want him to mail out 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 flyers, just like this, he'll print and mail them out for you. I'm going to leave Michael Jensen's link in my description box down here. So if you're one of those people that don't have time to mail out flyers but you want stamps, get in touch with Michael. He'll have your flyers like this one with your name on it printed and mailed for you. Everything's done for you. I mean, what do you got to lose? I mean, it's a no-brainer, right? This is easy. And who doesn't need free stamps, you know? Everybody needs stamps. I don't care what business you're in, or even if you're not in a business. We need stamps, and stamps are expensive. So, if you want to get involved now with this program, click on the link below, download this flyer, and get busy. And another thing, if you do want to mail out your own flyers, I sell leads. Peel and stick leads just like these. I sell them. I'm going to leave a link below. Click on the link below and put your order in for my leads. Simple as that. I mean, this is absolutely a no-brainer if you want free stamps. I mean, come on, people. Get on board with this thing. It's a lot of fun. So, I guess I'll close in saying thank you for watching my video. Come on and get on board with this. Get your stamps. There's no money involved, just stamps. So don't worry, don't get scared. And like I said, I'm going to reiterate, if you don't want to mail out any flyers, you're the type of person don't have time to mail out flyers, but you do want the stamps, contact Michael Jensen below. He'll have them printed and mailed for you. Thanks for watching this video. I love you. God bless you. Take care. Stay safe. Have a great day.